for the one who are not owning a KTM. Only 4 to 5 slots remaining. Alright, I think we have already got 5 to 6 registrations. So last 5 slots remaining. आखिरी के 5 slot बचे. 250 owners, अगर आप 250 own करते हो तो फटाफट come at the registration desk, enroll yourself for this KTM Orange Day, and the last 20 slots remaining for the Duke 200. So let's roll this with KTM, the European racing legend. Well, I must say it's a great opportunity for the Duke 250 owners as well, because this is the very first time we gonna hail the race. और उसके बाद यही होएगा कि चिड़िया चुग गई खेत तो पछतावे क्या होए. So don't regret after that कि यार हम participate क्यों नहीं किए. So please join in, walk in, let's race and let's prove it. Great opportunity for all, sirs, for all the registered racers. It's a great time for you all. We're rushing in the house. He's on the track, he's riding in. See, if you look at the bends, look at the curves, oh my god. You're killing it, man. International rider who represents Team India, the one and only, the Rustam Patel, and the rest will be Number 22, Tejinder Singh. Race number 26, Nadi Sumra. Race number 20.